Ron Atchison for Autoforge.net. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the FLEX PXE80 and a couple of accessories that you can buy for it that will really elevate your polishing game. Out of the box, the PXE80 came with a rotary attachment, a 3mm and a 12mm DA attachments, along with 1-inch backing plates and a 3-inch backing plate. Now, in most circumstances, those worked fine, but there were times that the 1-inch just wasn't quite big enough. The 3-inch was too large. So with that, FLEX came out with a 2-inch backing plate to bridge that gap, and that worked really well. The only problem with that was the 3mm throw on the DA just wasn't really enough. Again, the 12mm was still too much. So with that, FLEX has come out with a 6mm DA throw that works fantastic. It's ideal size for sanding out dirt nibs, getting up into corners when you're sanding on headlights, or doing around the grill on a car or emblems or anything like that. So with that, we've put a kit together. In the kit, you're going to get the 6mm attachment along with the 2-inch backing plate and 3 Buff and Shine 2-inch pads. You're going to get a correcting pad, polishing pad, and a finishing pad. So all of these items can be bought separately at Autoforge.net, or as I said, you can pick this up in kit form. So I hope you found the video informative. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to learn any more information on the PXE80 or Buff and Shine polishing pads, please visit Autoforge.net. This is Ron Atchison. Thanks for watching.